Hi, I'm Craig Phillips and I'd like to introduce to you Silverline's new lock rod. They're a drain rod system. Now, in nearly 30 years I've been in the industry of developing new houses and renovating old ones, and quite often, in fact too often, I come across blocked drains. Whether they're old Victorian drains or they're new drains that haven't been maintained properly, either way they're blocked and they have to be unblocked. How does it work? Well, when we used to use drain rods, we'd screw them together one way, and when you pushed them down, starting to try to unblock, you could only turn one way, because if you turned the opposite way, you could find the rods can detach, and then all of a sudden, one's stuck in your drain, which poses a bigger problem. Sometimes have to dig it up then to get it out. But not with Silverline's new lock rod. This is how they work. Now, Silverline's new patented system is how the locking rods actually attach. As you can see, the locking device swivels on here, so when the second rod is applied, once this is screwed tight, the two rods are connected and will not come apart down the drain. Then you have rotation in both directions with the rods firmly attached. Once the rods are connected, they're highly flexible. The pack is a 12-piece system with 10 rods at 920mm for each rod and 2 attachments. One is a plunge to clear the blockage by pushing it through. The other is a double worm screw for breaking away the blockage. The locking device also works on both accessories. Now, you don't need any tools to assemble the rods, they can simply be done by hand. Now, the flexibility really helps if you've got a really deep manhole cover or inspection chamber and you have to bend the rods at 90 degrees to get the plunge right the way through the 4-inch pipe. As you push it further down, it continuously bends where it needs to be to remove the blockage. The lock rod really is a great product. Whether you're maintaining your drains or having to unblock them, it really is the perfect tool for the job. It's also very versatile because you can clean your gutters and your chimneys. And if you'd like any more information, please visit the website silverlinetools.com.